Well, my friends, in my many videos, I have shown the bad effects of different preparations of tobacco. সবই টাকার এপিট আর ওপিট। আমি বারবারই বলেছি সবই তামাকের পান, সাথে যেটা খাই জর্দা, বিড়ি, তামাক, সিগারেট, গুটকা, হুঁকো, খৈনি, জর্দা, ইভেন নস্যি নাকের ভিতরে ঢুকায়, সেটা ফাইন তামাক। All the pulverized of tobacco leaves. So a form of khoini is a form of smokeless tobacco, which poses significant health risks, including addiction, and it produces various cancers: esophageal cancer, oral cancer, dental cancers, pancreatic cancers, so and many health hazards. Khoini or tobacco nowadays, which has been packed, may produce oral cancer. Khoini use is strongly linked to an increased risk of oral cancer, including cancers of the mouth, tongue, cancers of the tongue, cheek, cancer of the gums, etc. Smoking tobacco is also associated with cancers of the esophagus, pancreas, and other parts of the head and neck. It may produce also gum diseases. Smokeless tobacco, I mean the khoini use, can cause gum disease, tooth decay, and tooth loss. It stains the teeth. Heavy users of khoini may notice their teeth staining and receding gum. Chewing tobacco can also cause teeth to wear down. So khoini addiction, I mean the nicotinic addiction, is associated with also increasing the risk factors of heart diseases, of stroke, etc. It also a risk factor of during pregnancy. It can lead to increased risk of premature birth, stillbirth, or low birth weight. The nicotine poisoning are also dangerous, are risk of children. So, sores in the mouth, chronic painful sores and cankers, etc., etc. So, smokeless tobacco, khoini is called smokeless tobacco. The smokeless tobacco contains numerous chemicals. What it contains? It contains numerous chemicals, including carcinogens, that means the cancer-causing substance. When a person uses the smokeless tobacco, the tobacco comes into direct contact with the tissues in the mouth cavity, allowing the harmful chemicals to be absorbed. And this nicotine in smokeless tobacco is absorbed into the body, leading to addiction and other health problems. So it is very, very dangerous. Now every day patients are coming to us. We are giving instructions, advice to the patients, but they are not well about the dangers of these useless tobacco, this smokeless tobacco. This is a gentleman aged 40 years, also affected cancer of the lip, buccal cavity. cancer of the lip buccal cavity. Once he has been operated, but still pain is persisting. Once he has been operated, but still the pain is persisting, and the pain is now radiating all the left superior extremity. Pain extending to the chest and the whole left superior extremity. Now my medicine is, selection medicine is mercurius, because the peculiar symptom I have had, the affected area, the operated area, which is still swelled, can relieve by rubbing. হাত দিয়ে বুলালে ভালো লাগে বললে,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বুলালে চুলকালে
খুব জোরে চাপলে না।
না, পুরো ব্যথা।
So relieve by mild rubbing. The medicine is, in case of toothache, mercurius. In case of abdominal liver troubles, podophyllum. So relief by rubbing is a symptom of mercurius, and the pain radiating, and the tongue is very salivated. Dip the cow. The tongue is trembling and salivated. So the medicine is mercurius. এটা দিনে 3 বার করে খাও।